here we go on Evan's People's Mover waltzer. I didn't even know this was here. This is a nice surprise. I thought it was Curry's waltzer. I've got this waltzer here from Scotland. Hopefully it's good. It looks like a little gem. Hey. Oh my life! Oh my life! Oh my life, that's fun! Intense. Oh, move faster! Oh my life! What the hell? What the hell? Oh my life! Oh! Oh my life! Ah! Oh my goodness me! Ah! Oh! Ah! That was quick! It's got to be one of the better ones I've been in. What a great wee waltzer.